Hello and welcome back to Simplimath. I'm Reshu, your maths teacher, and I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in mathematics. Here I'm helping you cover every concept, every example, every question from every exercise. So when you subscribe to the channel, you get access to all this knowledge, which will help you prepare for your exams better. In this video, we are covering question 1 from exercise 3.1. So let us proceed. Question 1 says form a pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. So the first part is 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and number of girls who took part in the quiz. Alright, so we have to find the number of boys and number of girls, and the whole word problem is given in terms of number of boys and number of girls. Alright, so how we will proceed is we will let number of girls be X and number of boys be Y. Alright. Now we are given that there are 10 students in total, right? So we can say that X plus Y equal to 10. This can be equation number 1. Alright. And the another thing that we are given is number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So number of girls is what? X is 4 more than number of boys. Number of boys is Y. So we can say that X equals to Y plus 4, right? So I can say X minus Y equal to 4. So this is equation 2. So these are the two equations that we have from the given word problem. Now let us come to equation number 1. Alright, so when X is equal to 0, Y equals to 10, and when X equals to 10, Y equal to 0. Alright, so we are doing this to plot the points on the graph. And for equation 2, I can say that when X equal to 0, Y equals to minus 4, and when X equals to 4, Y equal to 0. Now let us plot these points on the graph. Now coming to equation 1, when X equal to 0, Y equals to 10, right? So this would be this point 0 comma 10, and when X equals to 10, Y equal to 0, that means 10 comma 0. 10 comma 0 is this point. So let us connect these two points. So this is the graph of the equation X plus Y equal to 10. Now let us come to equation 2. So when X equal to 0, Y equals to minus 4. So the point is 0 comma minus 4, which is this point. Alright. And when X equal to 4, Y equal to 0, so it would be this point. So now let us connect these two points. So here we get the graph of the equation X minus Y equal to 4. So now if we see, where do the graph of both the equations meet? It is this point. This point is 7 comma 3, right? So the solution of the given problem would be this point. And what is the x coordinate? X coordinate is 7, and what is the y coordinate? Y coordinate is 3. Now we know that initially we assume number of girls to be x and number of boys to be y. So we can say that the number of girls, which is equal to x, is 7, and the number of boys, which is equal to y, is equal to 3. And we can cross verify this. How? Because we are given the total number of students is 10. So when we add 7 plus 3, we get 10. So this is how you can cross verify your answer for yourself. You do not need to do this process in the exam. You can do it in your rough column. It is only for your understanding. Alright. Now let us come to second part of the question. The second part says 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, right? And 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46 rupees. So what is the cost of one pencil and one pen? So we have to find the cost of one pencil and cost of one pen. So let cost of one pencil be X and cost of one pen be Y. So the first part of the word problem is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. So the cost of 5 pencils and cost of 7 pens together cost rupees 50. So what is the cost of one pencil? It is x. So what would be cost of 5 pencils? It would be 5x. And what is the cost of one pen? It is y. So cost of 7 pens would be 7y. Right? Now we can say that 5x plus 7y equals to 50. And the second part of the word problem is 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. So cost of one pencil is x, so cost of 7 pencils is 7x. Cost of one pen is y, so cost of 5 pens is 5y, right? So 7x plus 5y equals to 46, right? So these are the two equations that we have gotten from our word problem. Now for equation 1, when x equals to 10, y equal to 0, when x equals to 3, y equals to 5, when x equals to minus 4, y equals to 10, right? And for equation 2, when x is equals to 8, y equals to minus 2, when x equals to 3, y equals to 5, when x equals to minus 2, y equals to 12. Now let us plot these points on the graph. For equation 1, when x equals to 10, y equal to 0, so it is 10 comma 0. When x equals to 3, y equals to 5. X is 3, y is 5, so it is going to be this point, right? When x equals to minus 4, y equals to 10, so it is going to be this point, right? Now let us connect all the 3 points. So this line is the graph of equation 1, 5x plus 7y equals to 50. Now for equation 2, when x equals to 8, y equals to minus 2. So it would be this point. When x equals to 3, y equals to 5. So it is going to be this point. When x equals to minus 2, y equals to 12. So it is going to be this point. Now let us connect all the 3 points. So here we get the graph of the equation 2, which is 7x plus 5y equals to 46. So the solution of the given pair of linear equations would be the point where the graph of the two equations intersect, which is this point. And this point is 3 comma 5, right? So the solution is, what is the x coordinate? 3, and what is the y coordinate? 5. And we know that x is the cost of one pencil and y is the cost of one pen. So cost of one pencil is 3 and cost of one pen is 5. And we can cross verify by putting the value over here. So we know 5x plus 7y equals to 50. Let us put the values. 5 into 3, 15 plus 7 into 5, 35, and this is equals to 50, which is equal to RHS, right? So you can cross verify your answer in this way. Now I encourage you to try this sample question. 3 pens and 4 pencils together cost 60 rupees, whereas 4 pens and 3 pencils together cost 120 rupees. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen graphically. It has to be done in a similar manner how we solved question 1. Alright, and if you have any queries, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.